Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see the battery level right here. If you want to check for the more detailed information, you can go to settings. So we can press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the battery option and select it. And here we have the battery level and also the time estimate, and you can swipe up on the screen. And right here you can check also the power consumption and stuff like that. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.